Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Revealed how Ukraine is spending crypto donations. The Ukrainian government has released a breakdown showing how crypto donations have benefited the army. Alex Bornikov, the Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, said soldiers have been provided with 5,550 bulletproof vests, 500 ballistic plates, 3,125 thermal imagers, 500 helmets, 60 walkie-talkies, and 410,000 packed lunches. Digital assets have also been used to acquire medicine for troops as they defend the country from Russian forces. Since Ukraine began accepting cryptocurrencies for donations 2 weeks ago, funds have also been used to support civilians who remain in the country, giving them access to food, water. Long-term trend could be on the verge of shifting. The awesome oscillator also crossed above the zero line, which could again be seen as a signal of a shift in bias. There remains a long way to go, though. The OBV has been sliding downward since November, but in the past 2 weeks, it offered the possibility that buyers were slowly entering the market. They weren't the dominant side yet, though. Conclusion: the price action and indicators showed a faint possibility of a shift in longer-term bias from bearish to bullish. It was quite early to tell, and $20.34 and $23.1 remain levels to beat. The overall market conditions still read to fear and uncertainty. Hence, risk-averse investors could wait for buying opportunities. Flipping $23.1 to support would be an encouraging sign for bulls, and a buying opportunity in preparation for a run upwards. And second news: will this weekend of lower liquidity see Polkadot push past $19? Polkadot climbed past $17. 5 on the charts, and flipped it to support before its move toward $19, but buying pressure seemed to be lacking in the near-term outlook. Bitcoin was trading just above the $39K mark, and the short-term direction of the king of crypto on the charts was not too clear either. Weekends are also times of lower liquidity. Will Polkadot's rally push past $19, or was the selling pressure likely to be dominant? In the past week, Polkadot had traded within a range from $16.17 to $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped, and hacking attempts via observation and attestation of all wormhole transactions. The wormhole integration will be the first time Carrera and Akala are able to communicate and exchange value. This will enable Akala to finalize the merge of the two stablecoins, OST and CUS. The union of OST and CUS allows OST to serve all pair chains in both the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems as the native, decentralized stablecoin, creating capital efficiency, utility, and enhanced liquidity. This will also enable OST to be minted on both Akala and Carrera, with initial collaterals including DOT, AKA, KSM, CAR, LDOT, and LKSM. The blog post reads: Akala intends to employ OST as the bridge connecting foreign tokens from different blockchains. Furthermore, the wormhole integration will allow for foreign tokens such as USDC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, or LUNSA to be brought to the Akala and Kusama ecosystems. Users will be able to trade the assets or have Akala potentially approve them as collateral for minting OST. Readers, be aware of bridges. Another advantage of the wormhole connection, as per the announcement, is the opportunity to increase OST yield and utility. The multi-chain interoperability encourages developers to create new use cases for OST, leveraging assets and dApps beyond the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. Users and dApps on other blockchains will also be able to import OST to their ecosystems for new yield opportunities. According to the post, the user will be able to mint their OST on Akala or Carrera, send it to ETH, then use it on Solana, then Polygon, then send it back to Akala, with no wrapping or transferability issues. Additionally, Wormhole creates a channel for the usage of LDOT and LKSM products in other ecosystems as collateral, increasing utility, and the opportunity to leverage additional DeFi services in multiple crypto networks. If wormhole sounds familiar to the reader, it's likely due to the fact that a bug in the wormhole protocol was the main technical culprit behind the hack against the wormhole bridge between the Ethereum and Solana ecosystems, making it possible for the hacker to run away with over 80,000 Ether. Readers are strongly encouraged to use bridges with care, as these technologies are often targets for successful hacks. As recently reported by CryptoSlate, just days ago a bridge, this time the Ronin bridge, not wormhole, was hacked, allowing the hacker to steal the breathtaking sum of $615 million. Cool. And now we're hearing of child casualties, thousands forced to flee or take shelter. It's heartbreaking. This week, Kraken announced that it was giving $1,000 in Bitcoin to every Ukrainian user who had opened an account before March 9, alongside a further $1,000 in credits, to ensure conversions can be made with no fees. The exchange said the BTC could be withdrawn immediately, and it was designed to help those who may have been displaced by the fighting. Overall, this aid package is said to be worth over $10 million, and the company says that the total donated will match the revenues derived from Russian users over the first half of 2022. It comes as satellite images suggest that Russian troops are beginning to edge closer to Kyiv, the Ukrainian capital. Soldiers have been accused of actively firing at residential areas, and intense fighting has also been reported in other major cities. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.